are here at Our Lady of Carmel Novitiate, Tagaytay City, where our postulants and novices are staying. In this second stage of formation, they journey deeper into self-discovery as St. Augustine's guiding words, "Let me know myself, let me know you." Kumusta ka na? Wow, beautiful, beautiful smile. Naku, Shilke, I have something to ask. What would you say to someone afraid to follow God?
For me, fear is normal.
Mm-hmm.
Kaya, everyone experiences being natatakot. Pero courage, kasi na-remember ko na, based on my experience, sister, na-remember ko nung before ako pumasok is ang daming hindrances.
Yes,
Tapos
yes.
I have my own plan. Tapos si God parang biglang binigay niya rin sa akin yung plano niya, hinarap niya sa akin. So sabi ko, God, what about my plan? Tapos si Lord nag-work din sa kanyang way po na inayos niya muna. Parang smooth lang yung pag-ayos niya ng way ko. Para siya yung gumawa ng paraan para makapasok ako. Ayun.
So I believe you prayed a lot.
Yes,
Yeah, you
prayer
discern.
po, sister.
Prayer talaga ang pinaka-best, no? To overcome those fear. Kasi seeing you reflecting, no? I just want to ask you, who inspired you to take this path?
Una po sa lahat, sister, it is Jesus himself. And para mas ma-inspire pa ako lalo, Jesus sends instrument, like my mother, who is a prayerful woman. And coming here in the convent po, sister, I able to imitate her prayerful virtue. And sa ngayon, inspiring to be a most prayerful po siya.
Yeah.
Parang mas lalalim pa yung connection ko po kay God.
That's very good. I have something to ask.
Yes, hindi lang ang ganun kaya, no? Kayang-kaya si Kate pa. Anyway, this question, Kate, like, is it difficult for you to leave your old self behind?
For me, sister, a little bit. Because I am attached with worldly music, especially K-pop, Korean music, Taylor Swift. And also, I am part of dancing, hip-hop, dancing. And and through this life kind of life, sister, I have overcome it through the process of detachment ko, sister, na tinuturo ng mga formators sa amin, especially when it comes to that particular topic po.
Wow, detachment.
Yes, detachment ko. Yeah.
Thank you. I have something to ask. Kasi sanito tayo sa holy place. Anyway, what spiritual practice has brought you closer to God and how you incorporate it into your vocation?
When I was a kid, sister, I used to go to church and serve the Lord as a Christian. And I believe that God planted me this vocation through that Holy Eucharist, because the wonderful gift of Jesus to us is very self. So, yun mo, sister, na na-feel ko si Lord na He's calling me into this holy path in His path.
Yeah, it helps you a lot also.
Yes po, sister.
But it really focuses on the Eucharist.
Eucharist, sister.
That's good. Very good. Thank you, Ruby.
Thank you po, sister.
Continue, ha? Continue.
Apo.